All right, so I was looking through this stuff again, and we actually have a big problem happening now. Let me show you what I saw earlier. Pop this open. Good amount of moisture in there, but look at that. What we do see is, let me pull that up here. This nasty stuff over here, see all the white stuff on it growing? That's actually mold. We don't want that. Typically for mold, what we do is we go ahead and extract the cutting out, and you can just spray some hydrogen peroxide on it. Let me see if I can actually focus on it better. There we go. See all that? That's mold right there forming, and that mold is deadly for the cuttings. It's pretty much kills it. Typically, it's a very early stage like this. You could go ahead and spray some hydrogen peroxide on it. When you sprinkle some hydrogen peroxide, it will kill it and will recover it. Obviously, it's just a small cutting that I was testing it out. It's from pomegranate. I already have a pomegranate out there, so I'm just going to toss it at this point. Primary reason also being that I don't have hydrogen peroxide available at the moment. I'm all out, so yeah, we're just going to toss it out. So we can pull that out, and then let's see if there's any other ones in here. Look at that. See all the white stuff forming on it? That's all mold. And that is very toxic for the cuttings. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that. Let's see how everyone else is looking. This one is fine. Obviously no roots or anything forming on it yet. And this one, nothing yet. This one's fine as well. Maybe possibly some mold happening over here. We'll just snip that off. And let's leave what's over now. Hey, look, more roots are forming on this one. There's a whole bunch of roots forming, so this is excellent news. Now, as far as the big boy over here, oh, let's see first this one. Nada. Nothing happening with this one yet. What about this one over here? Nothing. That's fine. We can let it be for a few more and see what happens. But yeah, so this is why sanitization is important. You want to sanitize first the cuttings before you go ahead and do them, so you don't necessarily attract mold like I did over here. But yeah, that's it for now.